Hi friends, this is 5 minutes Tech channel. Here is Oneplus Nord CE2 Lite 5G smartphone. In this video, we will learn how you can do screen recording in your phone Oneplus Nord CE2 Lite 5G. First of all, go to the notification area and here select screen recording icon. This is screen recording icon, just click it and screen recording menu will appear here. If you want to start screen recording, you have to click on that red color circle symbol. That is called as record symbol. So I start here, and yes, recording is started, and you can do screen recording here. Whatever you go in your mobile screen, that will be recorded in an order. So here I go to different page in my phone. I go to one website called facultyon.com. I just type faculty on and clicking on this link, and here I see a lot of pages. I scroll it. So these are all the recording. I go, and if you want to stop the recording, just you go to click on that red symbol again, and again you go to click. First you click and it will expand. Then if you want to stop, you go to click on that square red symbol. See here. If you want to just pause, you can click on the middle and it will pause. If you want to resume again, then you can click on that play symbol and it will be resuming. If you want to completely stop, then you go to click on that first symbol here, and yes, it is stopped and notification is showing. Click it and you can see the file. This is the recorder file what I did in the past that are showing here. If you want to turn on the volume, recorded in an order. So to turn on the volume, you have to click here in my phone. So in this way, you can easily do screen recording in your phone Oneplus Nord CE2 Lite 4G. To go to the recorder file through your local folder, go to files here and click on internal storage, and here click on recordings, but it's not here. No. Here is available. So you have to go to files, then internal storage. I show it again. Go to files, then internal storage. Then you have to go to pictures and screenshots. Here you will see screen recorder file. This is the recorder file. And yes, recording started. And here I see a lot of images. So in this way you can also locate the screen recorder file. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.